How to file your taxes on TurboTax. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to turbotax.intuit.com. Then on this web page, first of all, you want to click on the option of sign up if you haven't created your account already. Now, to sign into your account, you want to enter the details such as email address, user ID, password, and phone number. Then click on the Create Account option. Once your account has been created, click on the Sign In option. Now on the sign in portal, you want to enter your username, phone number or your email ID. Then click on the sign in option, enter your password, and once you have been signed into your account, you can choose from the different products depending on your tax situation. Now to file your tax, you want to follow the prompts to enter your personal information including your name, address, social security number and filing status. Then TurboTax will guide you through entering your income sources such as W-2s for employment income, 1099s for miscellaneous income and any other income you may have earned. TurboTax is going to ask you questions to determine if you qualify for any deductions or credits. Once you have entered all the information, you can review all the things that you have entered. If it looks good, you can file your taxes electronically directly through TurboTax. If you owe taxes, TurboTax will arrange payment directly to the IRS. Make sure to keep the copy of your tax return and any supporting documents for your record. Simply follow the guidelines provided by TurboTax to file your taxes, and that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.